Accused number 2, you are in custody. You are admitted to a bail of 10,000 rands.
Uchachululwe ngebhayili ye-10 lenkulungwane zamaranda uyise likaDokotela Iindaba Magudumana uzolesekeleni obalwa konaye emacaleni aqalene noThabo Bester nabakhambisani bakhe.
It's an absolute disgrace that the victims of this man were not warned, were not prepared, were not protected.
So lokhu seseyindaba nkulu ngisho neParliamente indaba kaBester amalunga weParliamente akhuza yababaza.
Uyamemeza uHezekiya athi Mathambo hlanganani waya kaQhelenga muthu wethu haba ukuthunya Orlando Pirates isutlela kwele katong lasekamaqhawula khanga.
iKaizer Chiefs neOrlando Pirates ziqalana ngokuhedlulana njengoba nazibhane zombili kuNedbank Cup. Sanamukela indabeni zesiNdebele lapha ku SABC 1 naku DTT. Akwande sitshaba sekosi. Ubaba kaDokotela Iindaba Magudumana uzolesekeleni angekho asabe kwamacala ukubulala neyokuchisa ecaleni lakhe lokusiza umbulali obe abe mkade uThabo Bester ngokuthi eqa ejele. Ngokusho kwephiko lezokuchithiswa komphakathi bathole ubufakazi obutsha ebenze ukuthi bawahoxise amacala lawo. Nana njalo usekeleni uyoqala namacala obukhohlakali kunye nokukhandela ukusebenza komthetho kanti ukhutshwe ngebhayili ye-10,000 rands namhlanje.
Ubugubulele kafeaturesana ubuso bakhe ekhotho Dr. Iindaba Magudumana ameqela amakhamera. Lokhu kuzangemva kokuthi umtshutshisi agandelele bona akanaqiniso lokuthi umalo ozivale ngemask nengwane etracksuit nguye uMagudumana. Gqwethala kaMagudumana advocate Themba Diba utshela ikhotho bona inomboro yakhe kamazisi bufakazi obupheleleko bokuthi nguye lo. Nanyana njalo uMagistrata uMohlolo Khabisi wagandelela ukuthi ufuna ukuzibonela ngokwakhe bona nguye lo uMagudumana.
What I'm saying is the court itself must be satisfied that the person mentioned in the charge sheet is in fact the accused before court. Yes, it can happen that we might find ourselves in a situation where we have the wrong person before court. I'm the prosecution, I haven't seen her face. I don't know if that relates to the name before court yet.
Ndene bewukhona ekhotho uzokusekela ubaba nomntazana kwakhe. Bewalinga nokukhuluma nabo nabehlela phasi emaseleni. Kusesenjalo usekeleni ufumene ibhayili enkulungwana ezili-10 utshelwe bona alandele imbandela webhayili nangasinjalo uzokubotshwa godu.
Accused number 2, you are in custody. You are admitted to a bail of 10,000 rands on conditions that you report yourself once in a week at Port Edward Police Station any time of the week between 8 in the morning and 4 in
Phiko lozokuchithiswa komphakathi lithi akhange liphikise ibhayili kasekeleni ngabomu.
Yeah, what happened was that there's evidence that was brought to us that made us reconsider a decision to charge accused number 2 on a charge of murder. So we're not going to proceed with that charge. Currently he's facing three charges, which is assisting an inmate to escape from lawful custody, defeating the ends of justice, and fraud, which are regarded as Schedule 1 offences. Hence, we have taken a decision that we are not going to oppose bail in his regard, and we don't have any problem if he's released on a bail of 10,000 rand.
Umbuso utshengise ukuthi uzoyiphikisa ibhayili kaDokotela Magudumane. neyomsebenzi walokho we-G-Force uSineho Matswara neyaka soktekniki wamakhamera elusa i-CCTV uTebogo Diphulo. uDiphu utshele bona unamacala okwebifuyo ngo-2007. Ibhayili iyokulalelwa ngomhla ka-3 nomhla ka-4 kuMrhayili. Kanti usekeleni uzokubuyela ekhotho ngomhla ka-16 inyanga ezako noThabo Bester.
Kwenzeka konke lokhu nje umbiki indaba walapha ekhethu Griselda Lewis noSokhomera uGqabi Njokweni bafahla umango bayokufuna ubufakazi abafumana esinye sendumbe ekuthiwa zalahlwa nguDokotela Magudumana. Satholakala sithaya kunandidamu ngemva kwemveka khamba yosikhupha emochara yombuso wathi basho ngesikayise. Kwakhamba nganasindlela. uDokotela Magudumana waye emochara yombuso eBloemfontein wayokhomba isidumbu wathi basho ngesikayise achwa namala. Ukusuka lapho ikolo yemochara yasilayicha. Kwathi ngomhla ka-29 kuSihlabandangana umnyaka opheleleyo sazokutholakala lapha ababiki indaba bethu bayifumana indoda eyafumana isidumbu.
Van het over there was ieder kaiway.
Uthi usifumane lapha ngaphakathi kweplastic nabekatheza inkuni wabiza amapholisa.
Het lyk soos iets snaaks wat hulle ons het hom oopgemaak en toe ons die polisie gebel.
Abomakhelwana bathuka bathwala imkhono ehloko.
I could see a lot of lights and I could see cars going through the gate of the plot and going towards the riverside. Now, those who went close, they said that that body was wrapped. The whole body was wrapped. Then I even said that, no, this one has been done purposely. It's not to say that this was done purposely. Somebody, there are people who have thrown that body into the river.
Ungezelela lapho isithombe safotwa abufakazi napamhla kutholakala isidumbu emfonini zabo sitshengisa bona safotwa ngomhla ka-29 kuSihlabandangana umnyaka opheleleko. Kukholwa bona isidumbu uDokotela Magudumana asithathe emochara ngiso lesi sigcina sesitholakala lapha.
Sisaraga nendaba zikaBester amaSouth Africa aveze ukuthi amahlelo aqale zobulelesi nezobulungiswa zalapha eSouth Africa. Lokhu kuvezwe ngesinye sezazi ngezokuphepha kunye namapholisa kunye namalungu eParliament ekomiti ezobulungiswa kunye neyokuhlengwa kwesimilo.
Nanyana kungasingekokthoma ukuthi kube nesipotshe seqaqwe ejeleli, ubuthaka nokuriyada kwemphathimandla ecaleni leli ulethe imibuzo eminingi esitshabeni senaga le. Isazi sezobulelesi eUniversity yeKapa sithi icaleli litshengisa ukuthi umbuso ubhalelwe ngehlangothini lezobulungiswa begodu namapholisa abhalelwe ukwenza umsebenzi wawo, kanti lokho kubangela ukuthi isitshaba nabongazimbi bahlalele evalweni.
The case also illustrates that the conviction or the correction centers themselves may not be particularly safe, and this can of course cause damage to people and of course make them feel scared that the people may escape in the future.
Ilunga le-DA eParliament lithi into ethonya khulu ukuthi abongazimbi bakaBester akhenge bazise ukuthi uBester weqile ejele.
South African public, citizens who live in this country are entitled, because your job is to make sure they're safe living in this country. That's your job. And you allow a serial rapist and murderer to run around doing as he pleases while you know that that's the case, and you don't inform the citizens of this country. It's an absolute disgrace that the victims of this man were not warned, were not prepared, were not protected. It's an absolute disgrace, and you should hang your head in shame.
Nanyana kunjalo usihlalo wekomiti ephenya kweParliament uthi iParliament ithathela ehloko khulu indaba le.
This is a well-planned, coordinated and managed walkout from lawful custody by the serial rapist and murderer Thabo Bester. In our view, this represents a culmination of the rot that seems to have taken place for long periods in this Mangaung Correctional Center.
Ujantshi uthi amalunga weParliament kufanele abone ukuthi ayisombulula njani indaba mraro le. Uthi lokhu kusesencane kukhulu okuzako.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngokubheliswa nge10,000 kwakababa kaDokotela Nandipha Magudumana uzokile esekeleni kanti kibe umntazana wakhe yena ubuyiselwe emaseleni. Asiqala umbono wakho mbukeli uyalandela.
balo nothabo ngasikudala bayaphuma ngebheli mkhashi hayi country yethu la iseseyiyo eSouth Africa imovie Africa into esiphila nayo la imovie
bemele angayitholi ibheyila iseleka amagudumana ngobe abaningi angabathempara nengo ufakazi okungalahleka nalabo efanele babotshwa abaningi abasezako nengo okungenzeka angakhukhutisa into eziningi
South Africa naphethe imali yonke into yakhona ibalona kasikudala zokuzwa ukuthi bakuhlayela ubufakazi
uyazi ukubuhlungu njani ukuthanda abantwana bakho ugcine ungene ekingeni ufake abantwana bakho so siyathokoza ngokuthi umkhulu bamnikele ibhayili naye mhlambe wenziwe umkhwenyana wakhe lo
sekufanele lo tata kafumananga bhayili ngoba kaloku wakhupha umgulukudu nesihlelemnqa wasikhupha ejele bengafanele banguyitholile ibhayili umsasazi
athana akatholanga ibhayili ingasikudala musi bayophana nedokotela ebhayili hawo umbuso wethu unfair man babalekisa umuntu batshisa isidumbu mara uzathola ibhayili
vele besilinzele lenzaba emabhayili lo ngoba nabo badla khona la kulenzaba emabhayili kulelivelela kunamaqiniso
not guilty until proven otherwise by the court of law. So angiphikisani nokuthi ubaba wakhe ethola ibhayili nami Ndipha ngiyacabanga nokuhamba kwesikhathi hamba eyithola
ingase umuntu xa emoshiwe mina abanjwe angabe ebhayili ngalamalungelo ke angaka kubophula imithetho
mayethola ibhayili akunankinga laphume kodwa ke icala phela libe nesiphetho
umbono ngeumbukeli SABC yazothwesa umlando ukuziphindulela ngombono wombukeli Umeya kaMasipalata weTshwane uSilius Brink uthi uMasipalata lo usemrarweni wemali okubabazekako kufanele kuthathwa amagadango angakhange khikathatha ukuthi busombululeko ubujamo lobu ngaphambi kokuthi uMasipalata lo awohloke
Amakhansela omkhandlu weTshwane akaboni ngelihlo linye khulukhulu ngemva kokubhajwa kokuphasiswa kwemphakamiso zokuchugulula kwesabelo mali njengombana kudlule nelanga lokugcina la ngomhla ka14 kilenyanga ephezulu ebelibekwe sifunda uBrank uthi imali ezibangela ukuqindeliswa kwegezi kunye nendleko zomthelo zingaphezulu kwe4 billion rand ezikolodwa nguMasipalata lo zimfake ngaphasi kwegandeleleko uMasipalata Mayor usanda ukukhethwa emvekeni ezintathu uthi uzimisele ukusebenza ngamandla phezulu kwesabelo mali esikhayelwa imali engaphezulu kwe3 billion wamaranda.
This will involve improved revenue collection, including aggressively ramping up the Tshwane Yatima campaign, but it also means reducing expenses not needed for the core functions of the municipality and our constitutional mandate.
Uthi okhunye godi ukuthi i39% yesabelo mali ngeyimiholo yabasebenzi. Okwanje abasebenzi akubonakali bazokhutshilelwa imiholo.
A major aspect in this budget will be the proposed 0% salary increases for councillors as well as for officials in the city. And the constrained liquidity situation that we find in the city, and with the National Treasury guideline that we need to reduce expenditure, and also on the back of what the Executive Mayor explained about the exorbitant salary increase that took effect in 2019.
Kanti zibalwa ngamaphesenti ama-60 izakhamuzi ezibhadela indleko zikaMasipalata. Kukunje kufanele zilindele ukubhadela imali engezelelwe ngamaphesenti ali-12 ukuthoba ngoVela Bahlinze.
Nasibuya entolo.
We hope justice will prevail and we hope justice will not be delayed.
Bekhabo lepholisa lendlela elidunyuzwe labulawa ngelinye ipholisa yeva ukuthi limthole nomngalo bathi umthetho awusebenze. Gazindaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube uthi SABC Indaba zesiNdebele zisekhona asirage nazo. Umndeni wepholisa lendlela elibhubhileko uThamsanqa Nkosi ufuna ubulungiswa ngemva kokubulawa kwakhe ngesihlungu ngepelaveke esibuya kiyo lembombela eMpumalanga. uNkosi udunyuzwe endaweni yokuzigedla ngaphandle kwembombela kuthiwa batsho uNkosi lo utholwe anomfazi wenye indoda elipholisa lendlela nayo uAbedniko Mbuyane.
Zwakala bona uMbuyane olipholisa lendlela uthe ngadumuza leli linye ipholisa lendlela alibulale waziphekelela emapholiseni. Namhlanje bekavele ekhotho kaMagistrata weNaspoti ubuyiselwe eStoksini uzokuhlala amalangana. Icala lithulisele ukulalelwa ngelesihlanu nokuthi angenza isibawo sebhayili. Umndeni wakwaNkosi uthi unethemba lokuthi umthetho uzokusebenza ngemva kokubulawa kwelunga lomndeni abo.
We hope justice will prevail, and we hope justice will not be delayed, because when justice is being delayed, justice is being denied. And we are of the view that the investigators will do their job. If they will not do the shoddy works, we will behave as a family that this man be convicted of his horrendous crime that he has committed.
Umholi we-DA uJohn Steenhuisen uthi inhlangano zepolitiki azisebenzisane ukuthi zinzizise inaga le entshijilweni ezikhona njenganjena ngasinjalo abantu beSouth Africa bazokuraga nokuxhaka.
Balinga ukufumana isisombululo semiraro idorobheni eliqalene nayo. Hlangana nokunye bubelelesi ukubulawa kwabosomaplasi kunye nomtlhago wamanzi.
Well, I think that small towns like this have been incredibly neglected, and there's a lot of focus on the metropolitan areas, but the real crisis in service delivery is happening in small town South Africa, and Lambe municipality is a classic example of that. Roads that are crumbling, infrastructure that's just collapsing on a daily basis, and residents who are suffering and bearing the brunt of this.
Izakhamuzi ezikhambele umhlangano lo zithi into edingakako lapha lisizo likarhulumende.
We have to go for days without water. At one stage we had 5 days without water. And what if there is a fire, a house burn? We have to go to Port Alfred, which is 37 kilometers away, to get water.
Why revamp a place for government departments, but there's nothing, there's no government department in the place, only social development. It's a white elephant.
uSteenhuisen uzokalesa amazizo wakhe ngendaba yemeyara yedorobha leNelson Mandela Bay.
It would be really sad if the coalition of corruption was to come in and to unseat that. And I think that voters should be holding those parties accountable that are responsible for the destabilization of these metros. Nobody wins when a metropolitan municipality is in a state of chaos, and we've got to focus on stabilizing those municipalities.
uSteenhuisen uthi abosopolitika bafuna ukukhupha imeyara le fanele bayicabangisise kuhle indaba le bebacabangele nezakhamuzi zedorobheli.
Ngezemali ranta lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Orlando Pirates yokubombana neKaizer Chiefs kanti zombili inqhemezi zineminyaka zagcina ukumthumba lonongorwana.
Imiphumela yephaliswano langempela veke esibuya kiyo le ichiye abalandeli beMamelodi Sundowns badanile nabe Royal AM kodwa yabuyisa ithemba kabakhamba neOrlando Pirates kunye neKaizer Chiefs. Inqheme embilezi zidlulele esigabeni sama-semi-final bezaqobotshelwa ndawonye. Amakhosi solo agcina ukumthumba lonongorwana ngo-2013 ngokunjalo neOrlando Pirates solo yagcina ukumthumba ngo-2014. Umdlali walokhu webafana bafana uTeko Modise uthi yokuba mkhulu umdlalo ophakathi kweOrlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs ngomhla ka-6 kumkhayili FNB.
It's a fixture that lately Kaizer Chiefs starting to dominate, irrespective of the form they're going in. While they play Orlando Pirates, and Orlando Pirates know that they haven't won against Kaizer Chiefs in a while. And it's going to be a very interesting fixture to see, and I'm sure, I can tell you right now, it's going to be a sold-out stadium. It's going to be crowd want to come there and witness this results.
Amakhosi asalindelwe iChipa United emdlalweni weDStv olandelako.
Umusa wekos usanele sonke.